everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are very happy to see you here today. If you are learning English and you feel shy or nervous when someone asks you questions about your life, please don't worry at all. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way.
Hi everyone, I'm Lena. I'm very excited to be here with you today. In this video, we are going to help you learn how to talk about your life in English in a very simple and easy way.
Yes, Lena. Many English learners know a lot of English words. They can read English and understand some English. But when someone asks them simple questions like, "Tell me about yourself," or "What do you do?" they don't know what to say.
That's true, Paul. Sometimes learners understand the question, but they feel scared to speak. They think their English is not good. But today we want to tell you one thing very clearly. You don't need perfect English to talk about your life.
Exactly. In this video, we will speak slowly, clearly, and politely. We will use very easy sentences that you can use in your real life. You can listen, repeat, and practice with us. Yes. We will also give you examples that you can change for yourself. You don't need to copy our life. You can use the same sentence structure and talk about your life. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about who you are, where you are from, where you live, what you do, and a little bit about your daily life.
So relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy learning with us. Let's start step by step.
All right, Lena. Let's start with something very simple and very important. Almost every conversation starts with this. How do you talk about your name and your age in English?
That's a great question, Paul. Talking about your name and age is very easy, even for beginners. You don't need long or difficult sentences. For example, I can say, "My name is Lena. I am 25 years old."
That's a perfect sentence. It is clear, polite, and very easy to understand. Beginners can use this sentence everywhere. In school, at work, or when meeting new people. You can also say the same thing in a shorter way. For example, "I'm Lena and I'm 25.
Yes, beginners should remember one important thing here. I am and I'm mean the same thing. I am is a little more formal, and I'm is more common in daily speaking.
That's right. Now, Lena, some learners want to speak more, not just one sentence. Can you give a longer answer about your name and age?
Of course. I can say, "My name is Lena. I am 25 years old. I like my name because it is simple and easy to remember. Many people can say my name correctly, and that makes me feel happy."
That's a very nice and natural answer. You added a feeling, and that makes your English sound better. Now let's talk about where you are from. This is a very common question in daily life. People ask this when they want to know more about you. So Lena, let me ask you, where are you from?
I am from Canada. I was born in a small city in Canada, where life was very quiet and peaceful. Now I live in a big city, which is very busy and full of people.
That's a very nice answer, Lena. You didn't just say the name of the country. You also told us a little story about your life. Friends, you can also answer in a simple way like, "I am from India. I am from the USA. I am from a small town." These sentences are short, clear, and very useful.
Yes, Paul, and if you want to speak more, you can add your feelings. For example, I can say, "I am from Canada. It is a beautiful country. I like the clean environment and the calm lifestyle there."
That sounds very natural. When you talk about your place, you can talk about the weather, the people, or how you feel there.
Yes. For example, a learner can say, "I am from India. I love the food and the culture. The people are very friendly."
That's a great example. Talking about where you are from helps people understand your background and your culture better. Now let's move to another very important question. Many people ask this in conversations. What do you do? Lena, when someone asks you this question, how do you answer?
I answer in a simple and clear way. I say, "I am a teacher." Or I can also say, "I work as a teacher."
Very good. Both sentences mean the same thing, and both are correct. Now, what if someone is a student and does not have a job yet?
That's also very easy. A student can say, "I am a student, I study English." Or, "I am a college student and I am learning new skills."
Nice examples. Beginners should not feel shy if they are students. Being a student is a good thing. Lena, can you give a longer answer about your job?
Sure. I can say, "I am a teacher. I teach English to beginners. I enjoy my job very much because I like helping people improve their English and feel confident when they speak."
That's an excellent answer. It is long, clear, and easy to understand.
Yes. Learners can also add their feelings like, "I like my job," or My job makes me happy.
This kind of answer is perfect for beginners to copy, practice, and use in real life. Now let's talk about your daily life. Daily life means what you do every day. Lena, can you tell us what you do in your daily life?
Yes, Paul. Every day I wake up early in the morning. After waking up, I make breakfast for myself. Then I drink a cup of coffee, get ready, and go to work.
That sounds very simple, clear, and natural. Beginners can easily understand and use these sentences. You can also say something like, I work during the day and relax in the evening.
Yes, that's right. If I want to give a longer answer, I can say, every day I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work in the morning. In the evening, I come back home, watch TV, read a book, or listen to music.
That's a very good example. It clearly explains your routine from morning to evening.
Daily life sentences are very helpful for small talk. They help you talk more and feel confident in English.
Exactly. Talking about your routine helps beginners speak English smoothly without fear. People also like to know what you enjoy. Lena, what are your hobbies?
I like reading books and listening to music. These hobbies help me relax.
Very nice. You can use sentences like, I like, I love, I enjoy.
Yes. For example, I like cooking at home because it makes me happy.
Great example. Talking about hobbies makes conversations friendly. Now let's talk about family. Lena, can you tell us about your family?
Sure. I have a small family. I live with my parents and I have one brother.
That's very clear. You can also say, I have a big family. I live with my family.
A longer answer can be, I have a small family. My parents are very supportive and I love spending time with them.
This is perfect for beginner-level speaking. Now let's put everything together. Lena, can you talk about your life in a few sentences?
Yes. My name is Lena. I am 25 years old. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like reading books, and I enjoy my daily life with my family.
That was excellent. Friends, you can use the same structure to talk about your life.
Practice every day. Speak slowly and clearly.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.